Hello everyone. In this video I am going to be showing you how to make a seek entity or a seek style entity in your Doors game. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the long room. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it super long. So exit this. I'm going to move it all the way back there and make all of these, well, I'm going to move this here. I'm going to move this here. This here. And this here. Okay. Okay. Now I have this super long hallway. So, let's see. I'm going to rename this Find Chase because I'm going to make my entity equal to Find. Now, I'm going to go to the toolbox and just grab an R6 dummy. I am Find, and I'm just going to make his humanoid root part unanchored. I'm going to make him all, let's say, green. No, let's make him all blue. And then we can put him into our replicated storage.monsters. Okay? So, now, in our Find Chase, I'm going to make a few more doorways. Okay. So, I'm going to create a new part. Make it 1 by 1 by 1. Rename Find Spawn. I'm going to make it completely transparent, anchored, and can glide off. 1 second, I'm gonna pause. Okay, so I put the Find Spawn in the Find Chase, so now the Find entity has a spawn. So I'm gonna duplicate the spawn and move it, say, here. Then I'm gonna make this the trigger. Rename trigger. And now we will add a script. This will be named find main. Now script.parent.findTrigger.touchedConnect function. Hit. So if game.players get player from character hit dot parent, then we're gonna do local find equals game.monsters.find_clone. Find.parent equals script.parent, and then find.humanoid, move to script.parent.exit.position. Find.humanoid.move to finished wait, or I'm gonna do repeat, and this until is gonna be that. Okay, then find destroy. Okay, now we have so that he will chase you through the rooms that we have. But we don't really have any traps or anything. But first we need to make find actually kill you. So I'm actually gonna real quick make the find spawn a little more towards the exit. Okay. Now find will kill you. I'm just gonna copy the returns kill script and lower the range to 20. So I'm gonna make it 30. 31. Yeah, 31. So now that we have this entity, let's make some traps. So I'm just going to make a part here, name fire trap, and I'm going to put fire on it, make it invisible, scale it a little. Put it here. And I'm going to do a script. So script.parent.touchedConnect function. Hit. So local player equals game.players get player from character hit.parent. If player, then player.character find first child of class humanoid dot health equals 0. Okay, rename kill, trap kill. Okay, now we have this trap. I'm gonna put in this, group this folder, rename traps. I'm gonna duplicate this, and I'm just gonna make some traps around. Okay, now I have some fire traps. I'm just gonna fill the rooms with these. So okay. And then for the final room, I'm just gonna have a gauntlet of traps. Okay. And this is our find chase. So let's put it in our rooms. Go to our modules room data. And I'm gonna do find chase type equals find. Yeah, find chase. Okay. So save. And let's just play. See how we do. So I'm just gonna go to the server real quick, so we can find where is this find chase. Find chase right here. Not too far. Nice. So the problem is a rush guy or a return guy can spawn in this, and we'll fix that soon. But first, let's see if the find part of it, if the chase part of it works. And we'll fix this pivot too in a minute too. So should have Okay. Now we should spawn find if we walk far enough, and he should start chasing us. Okay, so I'm gonna go to our room here. Go to the find main. Game.players. Play from character. Repeat find.humanoid move to script.parent.exit.position until humanoid.move to finished wait. Okay, so his main shouldn't wait at all. Okay, so where's his find trigger? Okay, and his spawn is over here. So did it not spawn the find entity? Let's see. Okay, so it checks if there's a player. Then it gets the find. Says the parent. Oh, it doesn't set the position or C frame. So let's get to our find chase script. So find.cframe, find.primary purpose, cframe equals script.parent. Find spawn.cframe. Okie dokie. Okay. Now we see. Now you can have multiple find chases, or whatever your monster is chases, but that's just gonna have to be okay for now. I mean, I think I have a way to fix that, and we'll probably do that eventually, but not this time. Oh yeah, we should probably fix the doors pivot too, whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna fix the door pivot too. So, in our room module, what does it set the door? So door pivot, it does pivot too. Oh. Instance dot so instance dot exit the C-frame. Okay. Now, we should have this done correctly. Let me see, where's the nearest find chase? It's a little far. I'm just gonna set my character's position over there. Make sure I go across this. Okay. So let's see, which entity is this? Is he gonna come back? That's runner. I think he's gone. Maybe he just went by, I don't know. Let's go. So the next one is, okay, fine. I think this is where find spawns. Oh crap, that's tons of finds. And I ran into a fire. Anyway, that's a lot of finds. Let's fix that. So local finded equals false. So then we're gonna do and finded equals false. So finded equals true. Because we don't want 10,000 finds to spawn. That would be problematic. Anyway, I think we got it. So also I'm going to run and see if the door pivot 2 works now. It is always one way. The opposite way than we want it to be. So let's go to our door main and rotate it like this. Now it should work. Yeah. Now we have our doors being pivoted to correctly, no matter what. So yeah, that's pretty good for now. Anyway, that will be it for this video, everyone. See ya.